Okay, I'm going to show you how to add CMD, Notepad, WordPad, any .exe file really to the registry and then to the contents menu box here. So what you do is go to Start, Run, and type in Reg, Edit. Now you're going to have the registry editor window open up, and it's going to say My Computer, HKey Classes Root, HKey Current User, HKey Local Machine, HKey Users, and HKey Current Config. Now what you do is click on, expand the key, HKey Classes Root. Now don't get afraid or saying that you see all this stuff here, because what you really click on is just expand this folder right here with a little asterisk. You're going to have two keys right here, one called Open with List and Shell X. But what you're going to do is right click on the asterisk key, go to New, and then Key, and in that key type in Shell. Then once you have the shell key made, go to New, Key again, and let's say you want to add in Notepad. So you would type in Notepad. Then you do right click again, Key, but this time you do Command. And the command box, up into the default tab up here, in the value data box, type in notepad.exe. And then when you minimize the registry editor and go over to a file or something, it'll say Notepad. You're able to open up Notepad, you're able to talk, or not talk, type in stuff, just stuff like that. It does nothing really change, it's pretty much Notepad. And let's say you want to add command prompt in there. Well, do not make another shell key, just expand the current shell key and make a key called CMD command prompt or whatever you want it to be. Right click again, do the same thing you did for Notepad and type in command. Then command, double click on the default up there in the value box, call it cmd.exe. And then when you minimize the registry editor and go over to a file or something, you'll have CMD there. Now let's say you want to add in the registry editor, so you don't have to minimize or whatever, go to Start, Run. You just want to be able to right click on it and open up the registry editor. Well, what you do is make a new key called registry or whatever. Hold on a second. Okay, sorry about that. Registry, and then you make another key called command. In the command box, type in reg edit.exe. And then when you minimize, or actually I'll show you real quick, exit out of it or something, right click on the file or something, open up the registry, and there you go, you opened up the registry editor and you don't have to go to Start, Run, and everything. Now if you want to add in the task manager for some reason, so you don't want to do the Control-Alt-Delete thing, so you don't have to do that, just go to go to My Computer, local disk, and this is if you don't know what the path name of the task manager is. Go to Windows, look for System32, and then when you open the System32 folder, there will be all kinds of other folders, programs, everything. You're going to want to go all the way down to the T's, because it's going to be in alphabetical order most likely. Sorry, it's really slow here. I go back up. Okay, now up here it says taskmanager.exe or just task mgr.exe. Well, to get the path name right so you don't accidentally make an extra K or something and just thing, right click on it, right click on the task manager thing, go down to properties, copy and paste the path name. Okay, and then you'll have to make the new key and everything. I'm getting tired of doing that. Task manager, make the Command key. Then that, just copy and paste the path name stuff, and you bring up the Task Manager, Windows Task Manager, and that is how you add any .exe program where you can right click on the folder and you got all that there. In Windows XP, I don't think you're able to add it into the desktop box over here because I've already tried it. It doesn't work, it won't show up or anything. I think it only will work in Windows Vista and Windows 7. If you want to know how to do it in Windows 7 or Windows Vista, I'll make another video of it to tell people that have those kind of computers what to do to put in their computer. And that is my video.